Hello, my name is Ellie, and today we are going to read Meditate with Me, a step-by-step mindfulness journey by Miriam Gates. Sit down in a comfortable seat. Let's start moving from your head to your feet. Lift your shoulders to your ears. Flex your arms and squeeze tight. Now let it all go and be loose like spaghetti. Again, pucker, crinkle, make a face. Shoulders up, hands clenched. Squeeze every part of your body and release. One more time. Scrunch everything you can. Flex your feet, curl every toe. Take a deep breath in and then let it go. Whoosh. Breathe in and fill your whole body. Breathe out and relax your whole body. Imagine a jar full of water and glitter in any colors you choose. Shake this jar a lot. Keep shaking. Imagine the colors clouding the water, zooming this way and that. When you're ready, stop shaking and set the jar down flat. Wiggle your fingers up high in the air, then bring them slowly toward the ground. Imagine the glitter floating to the bottom of the jar. Swish your hands out and down. Breathe in and fill your whole body. Breathe out and relax your whole body. Your thoughts and feelings help you in your day. You need to know when you are happy or mad or sad. What does happy feel like in your body? Make a happy face. Show happy with your whole body. What does mad feel like in your body? Make a mad face. Show mad with your whole body. What does sad feel like in your body? Make a sad face. Show sad with your whole body. Now, What does excited feel like in your body? Make an excited face. Show excited with your whole body. Notice your breath again. Can you fill your whole body like a big balloon? Breathe in and fill your whole body. Breathe out and relax your whole body. As you let that breath out slowly, start to pay attention to the sounds in the room. Listen. With your eyes closed and your hands in your lap, try to hear the sounds all around you, each bump, beat, and tap. When you become so quiet, what else can you hear? Inside sounds, your breathing, maybe even your heart beating. Breathe in and fill your whole body. Breathe out and relax your whole body. Listen. Notice how each new thought or feeling has its own rhythm too. Like clouds in the sky, your thoughts and feelings drift by. Like glitter in the jar, they move through you. It's true. So, you can relax, breathe, and listen, letting everything in and then out today. Know that this calm place is always just one breath away. Breathe in and fill your whole body. Breathe out and relax your whole body. Well done. To complete our mindful meditation, let's now try 4 easy steps to meditate with me. The first step is to sit and relax. Sit comfortably and place your hands on your knees or in your lap. Try squeezing and then relaxing your body to release any tightness. Try this 3 times. Then let your spine get tall and roll your shoulders back. Next, we are going to try breathe and relax. Bring one hand under your belly button and one hand to your chest. Try filling each spot with air, as if filling a balloon. Then exhale completely. Exhale 3 times. Step 3 is listen and relax. Start to notice the sounds outside of the room. Now, try to hear any sounds inside the room. What do you hear when you are so still and quiet? Lastly, we are going to try relax and be. Picture a blue sky with white clouds. Can you be like a big open sky with clouds drifting by? Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Thank you for joining me today with this fun introduction to meditation and mindfulness. And don't forget to just breathe. Goodbye.